The Thames and Kosmos Robotics Smart Machines kit offers an engaging introduction to robotics for children aged 8 and up, allowing them to construct 8 different motorized robots. This kit includes a visual programming app, enabling kids to easily code and control their creations using a tablet or smartphone, enhancing their understanding of technology. With an ultrasonic sensor that mimics sonar technology, the robots can detect obstacles and respond dynamically, adding an exciting interactive element to the learning experience. The kit's comprehensive, full-color manual provides clear, step-by-step instructions, making it accessible for young builders to assemble and understand complex robotic concepts. Children can explore real-world robotics applications by building models such as a humanoid robot, a stag beetle, and a crocodile, all of which demonstrate practical uses of sensors and motors. Requiring only a compatible device, this STEM kit is a fantastic tool for inspiring creativity and problem-solving skills in young aspiring engineers.